Whatever government of national unity is entered into, the rights of workers should always be protected. That's the position of Labour Federation Cosatu as conversations within and between parties continue. Parliamentary Coordinator Matthew Park says an ANC-DA coalition would give them much anxiety, but a government of national unity is still a workable plan.
We are relieved that it's not an ANC-DA coalition, because the difficulty with the DA coalition is that for 30 years, since 1994, the DA has positioned itself against every single labour law that Parliament has passed. The election manifesto of the DA, they explicitly said they would call for the scrapping of the minimum wage, the collapsing of labour laws, of collective bargaining, of workers' protections and rights. And that, for any sober trade union federation, is unacceptable, unpalatable. So again, when we have a government of national unity being put in place, we need to also seek reassurance from the ANC, from the GNU, that they would be including the respect of labour laws, the rights of workers. They would not be seeing workers being thrown under the bus. I think for us that's critical, but we are very confident that that will happen. And if, for example, you have in a GNU, let's say include 6 parties, ANC, DA, EFF, IFP, etc., the PAC and so forth, UDM and so on. We can also seek assurance that a DA would not be able to impose its will because it will remain a 21% party. Any legislative amendment will need the support of the ANC. So we would also need assurance from our ally, the ANC, that there will not be a genuine mandate which says we're going to scrap our labour law. So those are the kind of things we need to ensure. We also do need to ensure that the mechanisms are put in place to manage a coalition that is stable, that we don't have the kind of chaos we see it in municipal level where mayors are changed every few months. So it is going to be a lot of work. Again, we have to make sure we maintain the right principles, including the protection of workers, to ensure that it's progressive, that it's stable, and that it's coherent.